we just arrived at our destination, so offloading the product for the delivery. So this is the material, the accessory that we needed to install the system. So this is the 500 watts solar generator itself, and these are the packages. Okay, we are here for both delivering and installation. Okay, so installation is going on. So this is fully happy for the success of the work. Then this is Yaba Tech, Lagos, Nigeria. So we are around the school premises. These are the school premises where the installation is holding at Yaba Tech, Lagos, Nigeria. Okay, so these are the student area with the school. Okay, so this is the full installation. So the system is at work now, performing his duty. You can see doing his job. Look at this was installed at the kitchen side. So these are the load specification, which it powers about 4 lighting to 5 lighting, television, LED TV, about 65 inches TV, game, I think PS5 game. This is PS5 game, plus other things, the fan, the lighting, TV. I can see all the things that the system, the sound system. These are the things the 500 watts solar generator is able to handle very conveniently and comfortably. So you can get this for your apartment, your office, your room, your 2-bedroom room, your 3-bedroom room, your safe contain. You can get this kind of thing and you use it to power some of your appliances. So why don't you go for this?